Hi friends, my name is Bhavish Chandore and you watch the All About Pharma. Then today's topic is colloids. Then a colloid is a substance microscopically dispersed throughout the another substance. The word colloid comes from a Greek word kolla, which means glue. Thus, colloidal particles are glue-like substances. Thus, particles pass through the filter paper, but not through a semi-permeable membrane. Colloids can be made settle by the process of centrifugation. A dispersed phase A, continuous phase. A dispersion medium A, continuous phase. The dispersed phase particles have a diameter of between approximately 1 nanometer to 100 nanometer. Such particles are normally invisible in an optical. Through their presence can be confirmed with the use of an ultras microscope or an electron microscope. Then the solution made up of particle or solute and a solvent. The solvent part of the solution is usually a liquid but can be a gas. The particles are atoms, ions or molecules that are they are very small in diameter. Then colloidal mixture has particles that are not as small as a solution and not as large as a suspension. The particles are intermediate in size. Then suspension made up of particle and a solvent. Its particles are larger than those found in a solution. The particle in a suspension can be disturbed throughout the suspension evenly by sharing the mixture. Then the solution table salt dissolved in a water to form salt, saline water. A solute salt NaCl is dissolved in another substance, water, known as solvent, and this creates a solution. Then suspension. Fluor suspended in water appears light blue because blue light is scattered off the fluor particle to the greater extent than red light. Then colloids. Milk is an emulsified colloid of liquid butter for glue dispersed within a water-based liquid. Colloids are stabilized in suspension by electrostatic natural repulsion of like electrical charge. Then the comparison of properties of solution, colloids and suspension. Then first property, particle size. True solution less than 1 nanometer. Then colloids 1 to 100 nanometer. Then suspension more than 100 nanometer. Then the appearance, true solution is clear, colloid is cloudy, suspension is cloudy. Homogeneity, true solution homogeneous. Then colloids heterogeneous or homogeneous. Then suspension heterogeneous. Then transparency, transparent but often colored. Then colloids often translucent and opaque but can be transparent. Often opaque but can be translucent. Then separation, true solution does not separate. Colloid can be separated. Then suspension separates or settle. Then filterability, then true solution passes through the filter paper. Then colloids passes through the filter paper. Then suspension particles do not pass through the filter paper. And the example of colloids are milks, synthetic polymers, fog, blood, jam, shoe polish, smoke, etc.